India has started a multi-nation vaccine export program in its neighborhood. Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh and the Maldives have already received the first shipment. Others are waiting for regulatory clearances and will be getting the vaccine soon. While New Delhi has rolled out world's biggest immunization program, it says it will help even the poorest of nations in accessing the vaccine and carrying out inoculation.
In just 5 days into the launch of world's biggest immunization program, India dispatched 150,000 COVID-19 vaccines to its neighbor and perennial ally Bhutan. 5 more countries, including the Maldives, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar and Seychelles, received hundreds of thousands of shots in following 2 days. Many low and middle income countries are relying on India, the world's biggest vaccine maker, for supplies to start COVID-19 immunization programs and bring an end to their outbreaks. The vaccine development in India, popularly known as the pharmacy of the world, was being observed closely ever since the outbreak spread out of its origins in China and snowballed into one of the deadliest pandemics the world has witnessed. While its small neighbors are expected to immunize their countries entirely with the help of Indian manufacturing capacity, others are looking to procure a major chunk of their requirements from New Delhi.
हामीले नेपालको धरतीमा भ्याक्सिन उतार्न सफल भयो। यसको लागि म भारत सरकार, प्रधानमन्त्री माननीय नरेन्द्र मोदीज्यू र भारतीय जनतालाई नेपाल सरकारको तर्फबाट, हाम्रा प्रधानमन्त्री सम्माननीय केपी शर्मा ओलीजीको तर्फबाट र नेपाली जनताको तर्फबाट म धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु।
India has been instrumental in the global fight against the coronavirus. To say it has done the most won't be an overstatement. From hydroxychloroquine to diagnostic kits, India supplied everything that countries fell short of in fighting the pandemic. Earlier in the month, India authorized 2 locally manufactured vaccines for emergency use at home. One licensed from Oxford University and AstraZeneca, and another developed at home by Bharat Biotech in partnership with the state-run Indian Council of Medical Research. Both the vaccines have thus far been proven safe, as barring a handful who developed minor side effects only to subside on their own after a few hours, the results have been encouraging. The government has reported hospitalization from side effects in only 0.002% of vaccine recipients.
कल और आज कोविड के टीकाकरण से संबंधित 447 AFIs रिपोर्ट हुई हैं और उनमें से केवल 3 को अस्पताल में भर्ती कराना पड़ा और उन 3 में से भी एक जो नॉर्दर्न रेलवे हॉस्पिटल दिल्ली में भर्ती हुए थे उन्हें डिस्चार्ज किया जा चुका है। इसी प्रकार दूसरे जो हमारे एम्स दिल्ली में भर्ती हुए थे उन्हें भी डिस्चार्ज किया जा चुका है और एक जो तीसरे एम्स ऋषिकेश में है वो हैं अस्पताल में और उनकी स्थिति अच्छी है, बेहतर है।
At least 2 other vaccines are expected to be authorized by India in the next few months. Meanwhile, the country will also be making commercial exports to Brazil and Morocco. India, which supplies around 1.5 billion vaccines doses to 150 countries around the world every year, is also considering using its robust logistic net to deliver the vaccines in all corners of the world. The plan is to not just save Indians but the entire humanity. Indian vaccines not requiring a severely low temperature for storage has also made many countries turn towards India. As per reports, India might receive dozens of international orders in coming weeks. Observers believe it's an opportunity to expand its soft power considerably. However, New Delhi has shown it time and again that it doesn't commit to earn brownie points or strategic favors. New Delhi's endeavors are always in the interest of human development and global prosperity.